Hello everyone, welcome back to Lucy Flips, and today we're gonna talk about a topic that a lot of people can relate to. So, let me just. So, the balisong community, just as much as every other community, has toxicity, and there's no actual way to avoid that. So, but we can find ways to deal with it, and avoiding it, you could avoid it, but it's not the best way to deal with it. It's better to deal with yourself. That doesn't make sense. It's better to avoid the fighting with others, but you don't have to avoid what they say. You don't have to fight them, but you could listen to what they say. And, like, for example, you bought a clone, they will hate you for buying a clone, and you, no matter what reason you have, even if it's like financial or location based, which is my problem, location based, and a little financial, they will attack you for it. They will hate you. It's a very sad thing to think about, because a lot of people quit the hobby because of those types of situations. And we want a healthy and stable community where everyone could feel accepted, you know. It's very sad to me that we live in a world that's like this. Like, people can fight you for anything nowadays. But specifically, we're talking about the balisong community, which is very toxic in a way. Some creators are toxic, some of the balisong makers are toxic. It's just not a good sight to see, especially when all you're doing is trying to have fun with your knives and trying to be yourself. You enjoy knife flipping, you enjoy balisong flipping, you enjoy knife collecting. You don't have to quit just because some people don't like the way you do things, or don't like the things you have. So it's very important to accept that you are your own person, that you make your own decisions. You will not be forced to make any other decisions but your own. So if you feel like quitting balisongs because the community is very toxic and isn't accepting, that don't quit balisong flipping, because it's really a good hobby for, you know, yourself. It releases stress or stuff, or it makes you learn new things, makes you have a better hand-eye coordination, and it just it's very good to flip balisongs in a way, or in games like people will always be toxic in multiplayer games such as COD, but don't let them affect you in a way that you know you'll quit, you won't have fun anymore. Yeah, just try. I know it sounds hard, I know it's easier said than done, but it's better to try to think positively than say, this guy said I suck, this guy said my aim is trash, or this guy said, I only have clones, my flipping sucks. Don't let them affect you, because they were once in your position. That's why I hate it, because everyone starts at this certain point. Everyone starts at a similar point. They either buy clones or buy cheap knives, and they always start with not so good tricks. They won't be smooth right away. They won't be able to do chokers, do backhand fans, do palm fans, do aerials right away. That's the same thing with games like Valorant. You won't be the best guy with the best aim, with the best KD. You won't be anywhere near that at the beginning. But you will improve if you keep believing that you will. If you keep pursuing what you like to do and ignoring all the negativity, it will make you into a better person, and it will make you better at what you love doing, like balisong flipping and games. So like one of the biggest Discord communities and balisongs, like Will Hirsch's server or balisong flipping server, they have like one of the worst cases of toxicity, even though the creators don't support that. Like Will, he doesn't support it, but some of the YouTube creators are. I won't say who, but most of the YouTube creators that I've seen, I've talked to on Discord, are like pretty toxic people. But people like Will, Clone Support, Late Bias, Ethan and Ty, they're not, they're good people. They're pretty good. It's sorry, I'm not that good at flipping right now, but I'm getting there. It's just sad to see so many people quitting just because of something that happened to them in the community, you know. Sometimes toxicity doesn't make sense. Some people try to get better so they could like fight with other people that, I'm better than you at this, so I'm better than you at this, so you should like just give up. You should like do this to yourself. Don't listen to them. Just keep doing what you love to do. This is a very hard topic, especially that I also was in positions that were not very great. Started streaming. There are a lot of toxicity, and it's hard to avoid. So I think it's better not to avoid it and deal with it in a positive way. You know, just being yourself, being kinder to others makes it sure that there's a future in balisong flipping, in games where there will not be toxicity but positivity, and it's gonna be more welcoming. So I hope that I could be able to help people who are new to this hobby, because like I said, it's very sad for me to see like people my age quitting just because someone said you suck at this and you should stop doing this. Don't stop because someone tells you to. As long as you could do it, do it. Just keep doing what you love to do. And I love balisong flipping, and I won't let anyone else affect me to quitting balisong flippings. I would just keep going, try to get more positive, and by the end of the day I will become a better flipper than I was. You know. It's just sad to see, very sad to see people go through this stuff. So people make mistakes, and being toxic doesn't like help them fix their mistakes. So if someone is making a mistake like this or that, just don't come to them in a negative way. Say, do it in a calm manner where they could understand it better, that oh, this is wrong. You could don't do this, don't do that. Like, don't be toxic towards them. Don't put them in a negative mindset. Instead, try to help them in a calm and respectful manner, and by the end of the day, it's their own knife, it's their own whatever. They still get to choose what they will do with it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just want to remind everyone to be more positive, keep doing what you love, and you'll have a brighter future ahead of you. Don't quit. keep going, love yourself, love what you do, and enjoy it. You'll be better at it, you'll be more successful at it, and you'll be more happier. So, to all the people out there who are struggling with negativity, you could always go to this channel. Maybe I'll make a Discord, and you could I could help you hang out with us, and I'll make a Discord community with no toxicity. Oh, no toxicity at all. Where did the paint rub off this time? Oh. It's not anodization. And yeah, I just want to make a welcoming community in the balisong world. Wow, this knife really is very good for being $30. That's pretty good. Anyways, I dropped it again. Keep dropping this on the tiles. That's not really good. It's like I drop this thing a lot of times. The anodization keeps rubbing off now at the bottom. Anyways, that's all I wanted to talk about. Peace, and see you in the next video.